Telegram code SMS problem. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you through the steps on how you can solve the Telegram code SMS problem, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you're basically trying to log into Telegram, maybe using your phone number, but then you don't have the code, or maybe you are not getting the code. Now most of the times what happens is that when you hit this go button over here, instead of sending the code to your phone's messaging app, it will send the code to an already existing Telegram account, which means that it will send the code to the device where your Telegram account is still logged in. So let's say you have a desktop, it's going to send a code there. That's what it's going to do. So you have to check for the option to send it on SMS. If you're still not getting the code on the SMS, make sure that flight mode is not enabled, and do not keep trying from the same page over and over again. What I want you to do is just long press the Telegram app icon, tap the I button, go to the option called storage, clear cache, manage storage, and tap the three dots option, tap and clear local database. Or you can also try uninstalling and reinstalling the app. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.